Hi, I'm Albert, and I have a 12.9-inch iPad here that I love and use all the time. I have scratches and a little bit of scuffs, and that's out of normal use. Somehow, there's scratches. So if you're like me, you don't want any scratches or furthermore. As right in front of me, I have Caseco's Tempered Glass Screen Protector, and I'm going to be installing this. In the package, we have the cleaning kit, and the installation instructions are right on the booklet. Let me show you how easy it is to install. The cleaning kit provides an anti-static cleaning wipe, microfiber cloth, and a dust removal sticker. So firstly, we're going to use the microfiber to clean all off our oil, this wet cloth. Clean off your screen, and if there's dust, use your stickers. You're going to make sure that this little hole, so wherever your camera, in my case, is on this side, peel. And as soon as I let go, you can see that it's starting to seal. And then clean it up, press the corners so you get all the air out, touch the screen, open, no interruptions whatsoever. And if you have anything sharp in your bag, just cut right through it like nothing. You can see here, you can see how I'm hitting and then I'm scratching. You have no more worry. And it'll also prevent, if you ever do drop it, you're not gonna have to worry about the screen underneath breaking before it hits this surface one. And if you have kids, this is gonna be extra useful to make sure peace of mind where they cannot screw up the screen. This is why you need one. If you don't use it, good luck. Accidents happen. You never know. Protect your investment. To learn even more, visit caseco.inc.com.